How to delete Spotify recently played. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete the Spotify recently played list, or the recent played history, or the listening history. Hello everybody. Now first thing what you'll have to do is you can simply open up Spotify. Now you must have already tried deleting yours recently played, right? If you tap on the profile icon at the top left and then head into listening history, you'll be able to see a recently played, but unfortunately there is no any option to remove them. Now what you can do in order to delete the Spotify recently played list is you can simply tap on the profile at the top left corner and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option logout at the very bottom. Now you'll get the logout option there. You can simply tap on logout, and once you tap on logout there, you'll get logged out and you want to log in back again to your account. And once you log out and log in back again, your recently played history will be cleared. Now this way you can easily delete Spotify recently played list. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.